Assalamualaikum viewers. I am Angela Komal and welcome to my YouTube channel Angela Komal Academy. Hope you are all doing well and will be very happy. So this is my last part of active and passive voice part 6. This is related to modal verbs. If we have modal verbs, so how can we change into passive voice? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, but first of all I want to say that first subscribe my channel to get new notification, and if you like my videos so please like, press like button and share to my all videos to give information to others. Okay, so this video is related to modal verbs. If we have modal verbs in a sentence, okay, and then after then this sentence we have to change into passive voice. So how can we change? Okay, so here is the structure for affirmative. Okay, affirmative sentence. So first structure is here: object, then modal verb. Okay, first we always put object. This is a basic rule of passive voice. Okay, passive or basic rules, always we first put object and then modal verb and then be and been, then verb third form by, and last one subject. Okay, here is a be oblique and been. Okay, either we put here be or be, but how can we identify which one is better for that sentence? Okay, if we have modal verb, like modal verb, after modal verb we have first form of verb. Okay, means this modal verb give us present sense, like can, could, would, must. Okay, so after that we always put verb first form. Okay, so if we have this sense, so we put here be. Okay, after modal verb be, and if we have after modal verb third form. Okay, third form, so then we use in passive voice be. Okay, like could have, should have. Okay, so then should have and then third form, could have then third form. Okay, be third form, should have been, could have been, then third form. Okay, if we have can, so can, be, and then third form. Okay, because we always put third form in passive voice. This is a basic rule. Every passive voice, every passive voice, we always use only verb third form. Okay, so if we have present sense of modal verb, can, could, must. Okay, so we write here can be and then third form, could be third form, must be third form, should be third form. Okay, and if we have could have, should have, would have, okay, might have, so how can we change into passive voice? Might have been. Okay, might have been, could have been, then third form, should have been, then third form. Okay, so now see the example. By the example we can understand more. Okay, so number one example: I can answer the question. I can answer the question. So here we have can, modal verb in the sense of present. Okay, this is a present. Okay, so therefore we use after modal verb be according to the structure. Okay, now according to the structure, first we put here object. So here the question is object, the question, then modal verb can. Okay, now be we use because it's related to present sense. If we have modal verb present sense, so therefore we use be after verb. So it can be, then verb third form answered, last one by me subject. Okay, now next example: we might play cards. Here might is giving a sense of present. Okay, therefore we use here be after modal verb to make passive voice. Okay, cards, first cards, because of why? Because of its object. Okay, cards, then modal verb might, and then be, because why we are using here be? Because it gives us present tense, therefore we are using here be after modal verb. Might be, then verb third form glad, then last subject by us. Third example, you should open the window. Okay, the window object should be opened by you. Now next example, she could have finished the lesson. Here we have could have. Okay, could have. So after have we use been to make passive voice. Okay, this is a rule according to the structure. If we have modal verb with have, if we have modal verb of past tense, so therefore after have we use been and then third form. Okay, so here object is this lesson, then could have been, modal verb, then been according to the structure. This lesson could have been, then third form finished, last by her. Okay, now next example, they would have given you a book. Okay, here a book is object, then would have been, because would have is a modal verb and give us past tense. So therefore according to the structure, if we want to make passive voice sentence, so after have we use been, then third form given, and by them is a subject, and you the remaining part of the sentence. Okay, now for the negative, and as we know, how can we make negative sentence? It is very easy. Okay, after modal verb we write not to make negative. Okay, we write not after modal verb to make negative sentence. In structure only not we put after modal verb, and after that same structure. Okay, so what is the first example? He could not read the sentence. So the sentence is object, could not be read by him. Okay, read, the third form of read is read by him. Now next example, he must not learn this book. This book object, this book is object, and then must not be, because must give us present tense, so therefore we are using here be, must not be by him here as a subject. Okay, so now next example, she might not have eaten an apple. Okay, this is related to past tense. Okay, might have, so therefore we use here have been, after have we use been, and apple first object, then might. Okay, then might modal verb, not, because this is a negative sentence, and then have been by her. I should not have bought the clock. Okay, the clock as a object, should not have been. Okay, after have we always use been, because of what? Because it gives us a past tense, and in past tense we use been to make passive voice, and then verb third form bought by me. She might not kill the snake. Okay, here might give us present tense, so therefore we use after not be. So the snake object might not be killed by her. Okay, now interrogative sentence. What is the example of interrogative sentence? First see the structure. Okay, first modal verb to make interrogative sentence, and after that same structure. Okay, can she take this task? Okay, can she take this task? First modal verb, then object this task be taken by her. Now see here be. Why we are using here be? Because can give us present tense, so therefore we are using here be. If modal verb give us past tense, so then we use here been. Okay, should he punish them? Okay, should he punish them? First modal verb, then object. So here object is them. So when object come at the place of subject, so it become they. Then be punished by him. May you take this pen? Okay, may you take this pen? So may also give us present tense, therefore we here we use be according to the structure. So may this pen object, and then be taken third form, and by you subject. Now might he have listened her? Might have. Okay, here we are using here might have. Might have give us the past tense. So after have we put here been according to the structure. So first might according to the structure, then she as an object, because object here in this sentence her, and if we put this pronoun, this object instead of subject, so we convert this into she. Now have been, third form of listen is listened, is listen, and then by him, last one is subject. Okay, now last example, could Ali have taken some cups? Okay, some cups here object. So could, first we put here could, some cups, and have been. After have we put here been according to the structure, then third form taken, and by Ali subject. Okay, now I think it's understood all structures. If we have affirmative sentence and if we have negative and then interrogative, so how can we change these all sentence into passive voice? If we have modal verbs with first form, so how can we change? And if we have modal verbs with verb third form in a past tense, so how can we change this sentence into passive voice? So if you like my video, press like and share to all members, all relatives, all friends, and all those people who are good for you and you are good for them, because if it's an informative video, so you must give these videos to other to get information, and of course subscribe my channel to get new notification for new videos. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.